Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. I have another retreat in a box. I have teamed up with my good friends Deborah Harrison and Heather Guerrero, and we have created the Sweet Songbirds Retreat in a Box. The retreat in a box is you'll get all the products to make your projects, and it'll be delivered to your home, or you can porch pick up, and you get to make it in the comfort of your own home whenever you want on your leisure. So let me show you the adorable projects. Again, we use the Sweet Songbirds bundle. It's a stamp set and the punch. So you'll have the option to add that on. But your kit is going to include the products to make this cute little birdhouse, and you take this off and you can fill it up with your sweet treats. This is Deborah's project. How adorable is that? This is Deborah's card, so you'll be able to make that. Now these are my projects. I made a card here. A little birdie told me. Oops. And this cute little wreath that you can hang up in your cubicle or somewhere at work or wherever, but this cute little wreath that says welcome. This is Heather's card. Look at how adorable for a new baby, and look at how cute. You open it up and there's little baby birds, and I actually have some birds right now out on my porch. And then here's Heather's other one. Look at how cute, a bird feeder card. There's bird seed in there. So cute. So your kit is going to come with all the materials to make those 6 projects, the PDF tutorial, which will give you step-by-step instructions how to make it, $25 in Stampin Up product. We will be including the bird seeds. You'll get a little bag of bird seeds so you can make your projects. So don't think you have to go out and buy a bird seed. But let me give you a few suggestions of add-ons in case you don't have them. But you will want to have some Memento ink. These are just some ink pads that I suggest. The Calypso Coral, the Starry Sky, the Parakeet Party, and you can use soft suede, early espresso, whichever brown ink that you have. Your adhesives, you want to have seal, glue dots, liquid glue, but most importantly for the bird seed card, you're gonna want the foam adhesive strips, so you might want to add those on. And as an option is we use the fabulous frames again for the bird feeder card. So we will cut this one out for you so that you could you'll have it to make your project, but in case you want to make more, you might want to add this on. So again, the price is $48 for the kit for the 6 projects. We're going to have some adorable little pillow gifts in there as well. It's $48 plus $9 shipping. And then if you want to add on the bundle, which is the stamp set and the punch, it'll be $83. And again, if you want it shipped, it's $9. It'll ship priority. Otherwise, you can do porch pickup if you're local. So if you have any questions, I think that's it. This is so adorable. I have some talented friends and I love their little projects. If you have any questions, let me know. I will have the registration link below for you to register. Take care. Bye-bye.